Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the month of November, guys. So we're heading into 2022 almost. We're about 2 months away from the end of the year, and the market is currently down about 1.86% in the past 24 hours. Our top gainers here in the past 24 hours is going to be IOTEX. This one is up about 84.42%, trading at $36 or 36 cents per coin, pardon me right there, guys. So this one has been on a boom right here, making a nice move in the past 24 hours. Our highest volume here is going to be Bitcoin as usual at 32.3 billion. We see Ethereum at around 17.6 billion volume, obviously, and then obviously the coins are both down about 1.5 to 2% depending on which one we're looking at. Bitcoin trading at 61,000, Ethereum at 4,500 right now, making a slight pullback in the last few days. Binance Coin pretty much flat, Solana flat. Everything seems to be flat, with some of these altcoins being down about 2 or 3%. Shiba making a huge move downwards again, almost 13% here. Now we're trading in the 4s. So Shiba has almost slashed its value pretty much in half to where it was at the highs when it was trading at almost in the 9s. So, Shiba is definitely on a downtrend, and hopefully people were taking profits. I know a lot of people got really greedy. Personally, I know some, people in my, life that were very greedy and did not want to sell. They thought that Shiba was going to go to who knows how high, and they don't understand valuations and different market caps and different things like that. There's obviously rules to this, guys. You can't just think that this cryptocurrency is going to go to $1 million just because you think so. There's obviously data behind that stuff. So Shiba making a hard pullback. Doge is way ahead of it now in market cap, obviously by over about 8 billion market cap higher. We see some green coins here. Terra is up 6%, obviously. We see VECHAIN up 8%. Theta is up 6%. So there are some outliers, obviously, even in this reddish market that we're seeing in the past 24 hours. So guys, if you want to, see some more content like this and watch these 3 top altcoins to be watching right now in the month of November, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying in the month of November. Let's get into it. So Tezos here, XTZ is going to be our first altcoin on the list. It is literally flat here in the past 24 hours, trading at $6.29 in the past week. This one is actually about 2.5% higher in the past month, down about 24%. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, we're up over 233%. As this coin was trading around $2 last year, we hit highs here in May at $7.59, pulled back down with the rest of the market to about $2.29, and then we've rocketed on higher here in October, obviously the highs of $9. So from about $2 to about $9 right there, that is about, let's just say, about a 300% gain, maybe a little bit higher than 300% gain from July lows to October highs. With the pullback now, hoping to, hit a support here with some consolidation going on, and then the next leg up. Current market cap on Tezos is going to be 5.5 billion. Volume is down 25% lower than usual at 218.8 million. Typical hold time is going to be 57 days, so this is not a coin that people are getting in and out. They're actually holding it. Popularity, it is ranked the number 26 coin right now. 55% buy activity and 45% sell activity on the coin. Now, Tezos is a cryptocurrency and decentralized computing platform. Its features include proof of stake consensus, formal verification, the ability to let stakeholders vote on changes to the protocol. Tezos block creation process is called baking. Tezos holders who stake their tokens can receive Tezos tokens as a reward for creating, verifying blocks. Now, how does all this work? Well, voting on the proposed changes and upgrades to the protocol is conducted via a process called baking, in which users lock up XTZ tokens to secure governance rights. This process is a form of proof of stake, obviously. Bakers can also earn rewards for submitting proposals that are successfully implemented. Something to keep in mind also is that Tezos was among the first projects to incorporate to, go fully decentralized, allowing token holders to vote on changes to the protocol that would automatically be integrated by smart contract, drastically reducing the chances for disputes and hard forks. So definitely an interesting coin here with the market cap, about 5 billion right now. Plenty of upside for this coin to continue to go higher and higher in the future, and I would not be, surprised for this one to be trading at $15 or $20 in the near future in the next few years. So Tezos is definitely one that we're going to be watching on our watch list. Number 1 coin. Second up, we have Aave. So Aave, one of those greener coins that kind of had a big boom towards the middle of the year and then kind of tapered off right now, consolidating, waiting for the next move. In the past 24 hours, this one is up about 1.2%, trading at $326. In the past week, this one is down about 3.5% from the highs of about 350. Here in the 1 month chart, 8.5%. We see a huge jump here in October from 330 to allegedly $458 on October 27th. So that was a huge pop there, and then literally came back down. Might be a glitch right there, but it is up 8.5% like we said in the past month. In the past year, this one is up 959%. So last year, this coin in November was trading at $38. So from $38 to highs here of over about $670 or so in May, and then pull back down obviously with the market to under 200, and obviously we came back up to over 400 at one point, so about 100% upside from the low to the high, and we see this pattern continuing here with the downside now consolidating on a trend on higher. So that is a positive thing. Obviously currently 4.3 billion market cap, volume is flat at 348.7 million. Typical hold time is going to be 20 days, 48% buy activity and 52% sell activity. It is ranked the number 29 coin. Now, Aave is an Ethereum token that powers Aave, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Now, depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. Now, how does all this work? Well, Aave protocol facilitates the creation of lending pools. If you want to lend some of your crypto, you can deposit it into the pool. Anyone who wants to borrow, deposit that assets can draw from, Aave pools as long as they provide sufficient collateral. Now, to help users take advantage of the arbitrage opportunities and maximize profits in the DeFi ecosystem, Aave also provides flash loans. These loans require no collateral and are settled instantly. The condition is that the borrowed amount needs to be paid back within the same transaction, allowing with a 0.09 fee, or the whole process will be canceled and no funds are borrowed. Now, something to keep in mind: standard loans on Aave require collateral, so provided by the borrower. So because crypto can be volatile, it's important to choose the collateral carefully. If you use Aave to borrow crypto, if your collateral's value drops below a certain threshold, it can be liquidated, obviously, and that's not a good thing, and you might be subject to added fees. For this reason, stablecoins are a popular collateral option. Be sure to be carefully read Aave's terms and conditions and pick a stablecoin like Bitcoin or Ethereum, obviously, because you could be in danger. But another coin that is trading at around a 5 billion market cap that I see that has plenty of potential in the near future. So Aave number 2, and then last but not least, number 3 is going to be Terra, also known as Luna, a coin that we talk about on this channel very often. In the past 24 hours, it's up about 6.3%, trading at $51. In the past week, this one is up about 16.6%. Past month, 23%, and then on the 1 year chart, 17,468% from 29 cents, guys. Insane. Last year, instead of going to buy some bubble gum at the grocery store, you could have bought 29 cents worth of Terra coin, one coin. Now it'll be worth $51. That's an insane gain. We saw highs here in March at $22, pulled back down with the market to about $4, and then from this $4, $5 range, we made about 1,000% gain or higher actually here. So about a 10x opportunity from pretty much June or July to the time period that we're at right now, and it continues to go higher and higher. 20.6 billion market cap currently on Terra, 1.5 billion volume, 5% higher than usual, and obviously we're right at that all-time high area. So this coin is definitely an interesting one as it continues to grow higher and higher and gains more momentum, obviously more volume and eyes on it as well. So Terra is going to be our third and last coin on the list. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market like we always do. Solana trading flat, still at all-time highs pretty much. Doge, like we said, trading in the mid-20s. Once again, this is pretty much where this coin has been for the past, I don't even know, probably 3 or 4 months now. This same pattern with Doge. Obviously, it had a little bit of momentum because of Shiba Inu at one point, but like we covered at the beginning of the video, Shiba is taking a downward trend and continues to go lower and lower from these highs that we saw. Obviously, highs were up here at one point in October, and it continues to go lower and lower here. From those highs of about 0.00009 almost. Now we're trading at about half of that. So Shiba is definitely taking a big dive. Bitcoin taking a pullback here on Thursday, trading kind of flat here on Friday, down about 2%, trading at 61,000. In the past week, flat again, and in the past month, up 24%, and then on the 1 year chart, up 291%. So still trading in the 60s, obviously 61,000, 1.2 trillion market cap, 34% of the crypto market space. It is 63% buy activity and 37% sell activity. We're going to be watching Bitcoin very closely for the next few weeks to see what's going to happen going into the end of 2021, obviously Q4. Ethereum taking a little bit of a pullback, obviously, as well from those those all-time highs areas that we saw a few days ago, trading at around this 4,500 area, down about 1.5% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're up 4.7%, past month 32%, and then on the 1-year chart, 980%. We were about 1,000% actually a few hours ago, but it did make a little bit of a pullback here. Current market cap 530.9 billion, so over half a trillion. 16% of the crypto market cap is obviously filled up by Ethereum. It is ranked the number 2 coin, 77-day typical hold time days, 69% buy activity, and 31% sell activity on Ethereum. I still believe that Ethereum is going to continue to go higher through the end of the year and possibly hit that 5,000 area. I was actually, very optimistic and thought maybe we could hit that in an upcoming week, but that did not happen. But I'm still predicting that it could happen by the end of 2021. So we're going to be watching Ethereum very closely as it continues to gain momentum, guys, as well as these other altcoins. So guys, as always, if you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more content like this, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before you invest, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand there's a high risk, high reward before you get into crypto. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great weekend. See you tomorrow.